dear students, welcome back to mathsy.com. This is your Joycey ma'am. Today we are going to see exercise 6.2 triangles. Class 10 math, NCERT. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Here we go. Children, in the previous videos we have seen what is Thales theorem and the proof of it. This Thales theorem is also known as the basic proportionality theorem. Now we are going to apply this Thales theorem and we are going to conclude whether the ratios are equal so that the line drawn to intersect the other two sides of the triangle will be parallel to the third side or not. This is what we are going to check today. So it is given some of the question exercise 6.2. We are going to solve that question today. The first question, diagram is given. In first and the second question of the first question, DE is parallel to BC. So it's a triangle ABC. It's drawn like this. So my triangle is ABC and DE is parallel to BC. That's what it is given. And the measurements are AD is 1.5 cm and BD is 3 cm. Of course, BD must be lengthier, but I just draw more or less the equal, but I hope you will understand. And then AE is 1 cm. So the question is find EC in both the triangles. So first we take the first triangle. This is the first question of the first question, exercise 6.2. Now I have to check whether DE is parallel to. You have to find EC is equal to what, and it is given DE is parallel to BC. So it is better to write what is given in the question first. So when you write, children, you get an idea, okay, the parallel means I should find the ratios are equal. So when you write itself, it will come and click your brain. So always write it, what is given, especially for the geometry chapter. So I have to check if DE parallel to BC in triangle ABC. My sides, corresponding sides are in same ratio. So my sides are AD divided by BD is equal to AE divided by C. So AD is given 1.5 divided by 3 is equal to 1 divided by CE. And you know this gets cancelled too. That means CE is equal to 2 cm. So that is what the answer, that is 2 cm. So hope you understand. The ratios will be in, the ratios are same for the line that is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle. Then the other two sides, the corresponding sides ratio will be same. So now you can see 1.5 divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. That is CE is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we move on to the second question. That second question is given. The diagram is like this. So ABC is another triangle the same way. So your triangle is given. It's a bit bigger triangle. And it is given like this. And ABC is your triangle. And of course DE is parallel such that BD is 7.2 cm and EC is 5.4 cm and then AE is 1.8 cm. Now my question is find AD in the second question. You know the ratios are equal, so I will write AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. So AD I do not know, divided by BD I know, which is 7.2. AE I I know, which is 1.8, and CE I know 5.4. Children, now always you must remember this thing, that is how to do the calculation. Sometimes the students find the calculation part very hard and it is difficult. Why? Because they are not following few techniques. I'll give you that techniques. The decimal is the difficult calculation among all the other numbers that you are handling. So the decimal number, it is a bit difficult when it is compared to fraction or any other integers. So what you will do, you better convert this decimal into a fraction. So how do I convert it? I'm going to write this as AD divided by 72 by 10. So that becomes 10 goes to the top. Why? Because it's a reciprocal, which is equal to 18 divided by 10 into 54. This 10 goes to the top. Hope you get this. So 10 gets cancelled, and 18 this gets cancelled thrice, and this gets cancelled. That is 1 3s are 2 3s are 6, 1 and 4 3s are 12. So your AD into 10 AD is equal to 24. You have to find what is AD, that is 24 divided by 10, which is equal to 2.4 cm. Children, I tell you one more clue, that is when you are converting into fraction and you do all the calculation, you finish your calculation, but the answer, the final answer, you must give it in decimal only. So it is very important. You cannot give the answer in fraction. Why? Because the question is not given in fraction. The question is given in decimal. So your answer must be in decimal. So I converted, that is equal to 2.4. Even suppose any other number is there, you have to divide and get your number, if it is possible to get your decimal number. Hope you understand this concept, how to find the sides of a triangle, where the triangle gets the line which intersect the two sides of the triangle and parallel to the third side. So the ratio will be same. Now we move on to the second question. You can look at the question. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. Find each of the following cases and state whether EF is parallel to QR. So there is no diagram given here and we have to draw the diagram. So we'll go for drawing the diagram. So children, hope everyone is having your sheet of paper or the notebook to take the notes for this. E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. So let me have my triangle, simple triangle. It is not given any condition for the triangle. So I will have my triangle, which is PQR. And it is given E and F are the points on the side PQ and PR. So E and F are the points on the side respectively. Find each of the following cases. State whether EF is parallel. So I have EF, but for the time being I just draw. Why? Because I have to show whether EF is parallel to QR. So let me draw it, and based on the values given I will find it out whether it is parallel or not. So first value is given, P is 3.9. So this is given 3.9 and EQ is given 3. That is, this is given 3 and PF given 3.6. So PF given 3.6 and FR given 2.4. So all are centimeter, but I am not writing centimeter. Hope you will understand. So this I have to check whether EF is parallel to QR. to prove, to check whether EF is parallel to QR, what is the condition? I have to check whether PE by QE is equal to PF by FR. That's what I have to check. If this is correct, this ratios are equal, automatically it implies EF parallel to QR by Thayer's theorem. So let me go and check. That is 3.9 divided by 3, that's equal to PF is 3.6 divided by 2.4. As I told you, you will make the fraction 39 by 10 into 3, which is equal to 36 by 10 into 24. This becomes 10. Now, you will cancel it. This and this gets cancelled. 1 3s are, that is 13. Now, this you can cancel. 8 3s are 24 and 1 3s are, no, this is not possible. So, I get it for 4. So 6 4s are 24 and 9 4s are 36. 10 10 gets cancelled. So now you can see 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are. This side becomes 1.3, which is not equal to 3 by 2. Even if you go for decimal, you will not get it for 1.3. It is 1.5 it is. So, I want 1.3 must be equal to 1.5, but I am not getting. That means this implies EF is not parallel to QR. Hope you understand. The ratios are not equal, so it is not parallel. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, the measurements are given. So children, hope you can take your notebook and you can do it right now with me so that you will learn it. So don't keep it for pending, I will do later. No, do it with me so you will understand clearly and you will get your point also. So PE by QE is equal to, I have to prove PF is equal to FR. If this is equal, then that is correct. So let me wrap my measurement. I am going for second question of this 6.2. So the measurements are given like this. PE is 4 and then QE is 4.5. And then PF is 8 and FR is 9. So I'll go and check. PE is my 4, QE is 4.5. This is equal to 8 by 9. So 4 divided by 45 into 10, which is equal to, must be equal to 9. So let me cancel. That is 40 divided by 45. Cancel it. 8 5s are 9 5s are. So you get 8 by 5, which is equal to 8 by 5. That is, it is happening. That means this implies EF is parallel to QR. Hope you understand that the ratios are equal, then automatically EF will be parallel to QR. Now we move on to the third question. Third question, measurements are given. So the measurements are given like this. So let me write the measurements here. And the measurements are 1.28. So it is given PQ is 1.28. So this full is given 1.28. Have to be careful. Now PR is equal to 2.56. This full is given 2.56. And then PE is given 0.18. This is given 0.18. And PF is given 0.36. This is given 0.36. Children, we have studied for the time being up to this class, we have studied PE by QE is equal to PF by FR. But I don't know the ratio with respect to PQ and PR. That is given whole side. That is the full side of the two sides of the triangle. So what I will do? This I will subtract. So 1.28 minus 0.18 18, that is equal to 1.1. So my QE is 1.1. So simple. So 2.56 minus 0.36. So that is equal to 0, 2 and 2. This is 2.2. So now I go and substitute. PE is 0.18 divided by QE is 1.1, which is equal to 0.36 divided by 2.2. Now I am going to have 18 divided by 100. Why? Because 2 decimal places. So 100 into 11 into 10 at the top, which is equal to the same 36 divided by 100 into 22 into 10. Hope you understand. Where am I writing tens and all? So it is a reciprocal. So I know this 10 gets cancelled, this 100 gets cancelled. So now I can cancel it by 2. 18 2s are 11 2s are. That means 18 by 11 is equal to again 18 by 11. The ratios are equal. That implies my EF is parallel to QR. So hence I checked EF is parallel to QR because the ratios are equal. So hope everyone understood the second question. Now we move on to the third question. Third question diagram is given in figure 6.18. So in figure 6.18, you have to observe the figure, no making mistakes in the measurements. Figure 6.18, LM is parallel to CD and LN is parallel to CD. Prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So I have to get my diagram. It is the quadrilateral ABCD. How the quadrilateral is given? Oh, it is a fantastic quadrilateral. It is drawn. So this side is bit lengthier and the other side is smaller. So I have my quadrilateral and the diagonal is drawn and it is named A, B, C and then T. So hope you get the quadrilateral. So A, B, C, D. Now it is said LM is parallel to BC. So I have to draw the line parallel to BC. And then LN is parallel. This is LM and LN is parallel to CD. So now you can see LN parallel to CD. You have to prove that AM by AB. So I have to prove AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. AN by AD. So what is given, my dear children? In this given, ABCD, first point ABCD is a quadrilateral. It comes for 3-mark question. So of course you have to write the steps. ABCD is a quadrilateral and the second point given, LM is parallel to BC. And the third point given, LN is parallel to CD. Hope you get it. And we have to prove AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Children, hope you understand the concept of this and will meet the proof of this theorem in the next video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.